Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to the second part of the Helio Power playlist, and in this video I'll be taking the maximum power point data of this solar panel. This is a 10 watt solar panel, and for taking the maximum power point data of this solar panel, I have to dissipate at least 7 or 6 watts through these potentiometers. So I have connected four 3 watt potentiometers in parallel to get a total dissipating power of 12 watts, and each of these are 10 kilo ohm potentiometers, so I'm getting 10 divided by 4 equals 2.5 kilo ohm in total. And here you can see just the parallel connection circuit of the potentiometer, and there you can see 2.5k, and 3 watt into 4 is 12 watts of total dissipating power. I could have gone with 3 potentiometers, which should give me 9 watts of dissipating power, but better safe than sorry, because it might happen that one potentiometer is dissipating more power than the others, and it might get destroyed. So I'm distributing the total power evenly, or maybe I'll try to distribute it evenly among 4 potentiometers. Now over here I'm showing the circuit diagram, which I'll be making in just a few minutes, and there's a voltmeter and an ammeter measuring the voltage and current, and there is the potentiometer, which is basically the load, and I'll be taking the voltage and current readings, and like the previous video I'll be plotting it on a graph and taking the maximum power point data from that graph. The maximum power point data will basically be the point where voltage into current is maximum. So you can see I'll be circling that point. That is the maximum power point of the solar panel. Now I shall be disconnecting the existing circuit, which is downstairs, and I shall be connecting these potentiometers and the multimeters with the solar panel. And while disconnecting, I soon realized that I have brought the wrong screwdriver, so I had to again go and bring the right one. There you can see I am disconnecting the existing circuit, which is the white cable, and now I shall be connecting the potentiometer wires, which are the red and black single cables. First I have to measure the voltage which the panel is generating, which is around 20.5 volts, as you can see. And now you can see me connecting the potentiometer array with the solar panel and the multimeter leads. I'm almost done connecting the circuit, and now I'm going to take the readings. Now you can see that all the potentiometer knobs are at the same position. This is very important for every step. Whenever you rotate the knob of one potentiometer by certain degrees, you should try and keep that same resistance along the parallel connection. So suppose one potentiometer is at 8 kilo ohms, so you'd want all the potentiometers to be at 8 kilo ohms. Otherwise there will be unequal distribution of power among the resistances, and that may lead to damage of the potentiometer, or even the wires may burn up, or even the potentiometers can burn up. So over here you can see that the multimeter on my right hand side is giving the voltage, and the multimeter on the left hand side is giving the current in microamps. Not microamps, that's giving the current in milliamps. Now I'm going to fast forward this, and you can see all the readings which I'm taking, and if you notice, you can see that I'm changing all the knobs by equal amount to keep the power distribution same among all the potentiometers, and the current will reach about 350 or 360 milliamps at 17 or 18 volts, I can say that because I'm doing a voiceover. Probably you have noticed that by now, and I had to do a voiceover because the actual sound of this video was something like this. Yeah, construction works. Now the ammeter is at the 10 ampere range, so the reading is currently given in amperes. So 0.35 means it's 350 milliamps. I had to change the range because it crossed 200 milliamps mark. Now here you can see the graph of voltage versus current, and from this graph I can easily calculate the maximum power point. If possible, I'll also show a detailed Excel sheet and a detailed graph on this video, or I may also link it down below in the description. And from this rough calculation, I got that the MPPT voltage level is somewhere around 17.1 volt. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye.